How to open Xbox One S. First thing we will need to open is this bottom black cover. Sweep your Xbox One to the back. Right where my finger is, you will see an Xbox One original sticker. You will have to pull it off to open the Xbox. Take a flat screwdriver or any flat metal tool and start to open it up. If you don't have any tools at all, I will link my tools kit in the description below. It should sound like this when you open the black cover, don't be afraid. Now that we're done with the black cover, put the Xbox on the table. Now we are starting the fun part. Take a Torx 10 bit or Torx 10 screwdriver, it doesn't really matter. We will start by opening the green screws. You will have 6 screws and each one of them is called with a letter F. So you will see an F1, F2 and so it goes on until 6. There are different ways to open this Xbox. You can unscrew all the screws and then flip it to the front. Then remove the white cover and then you will see all the Xbox parts. I'm just showing you a step by step each part so you can understand what every screw does. So we pulled out all the 6 screws. Now we can easily remove the white cover. Just separate the gray part from the white cover. Great job guys, we're on the halfway. Let me know if you struggled at any point of this video till now and if you're having fun. Flip your Xbox once again and now we'll start to pull out a new set of screws. All the gray screws look the same, but you will have 2 different types. 2 gray screws are B1 and B2 and the 6 gray screws that goes from C1, C2 and you know how it goes. All the gray screws are most likely the same, so if you are mixing them, it's okay. As I said before guys, I will leave my toolkit in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so if you purchase them, I will get a little commission that will help me promote my channel and make better videos for you. Carefully flip the Xbox One S to the front. Be aware that we pulled out all the screws, so nothing is holding the part, so hold them with your hand. This is an easy part, just follow my steps on how to unplug all the connectors. Start with the hard disk, pull it up and you will see 2 connectors that hold in him. Now unplug 2 connectors that hold in the CD drive. That black box is the power supply. Take the flat screwdriver and unplug the connector. The fan is holding on the motherboard. To release the motherboard, we will need to flip the Xbox again and unscrew the final screws. Here you will see 4 black screws that called E. To unscrew them, you will need a Torx 8 bit. Before we can take out the motherboard, there are only 2 boards that left for us to unscrew. This is the Wi-Fi card In your Xbox you will have 3 screws, I'm having only 2. Please be gentle with those cards, they are very fragile. After you unscrew the card, just pull it out. Moving to the next card, this is the power card. On this card you will see 4 black screws. Like the first card, when you unscrew it, just pull it out. We are almost there, heading to the last steps. Pull out this black holder and now just remove the motherboard from the case. Release the white fan connector. Flip the motherboard. Take your flat screwdriver again. Insert the screwdriver carefully to the edge of every corner and just pull it out. There you go guys, we have successfully pulled out all the parts from our Xbox One S. In the next screen you will see all the parts on the table, make sure you have them all. So guys, this is for you to make sure you have all the parts. So we have here the motherboard and the motherboard fan, the Wi-Fi card, the power button card, the power supply, the CD drive, the hard disk, and we have here 4 black screws, 3 black screws and another 4 black screws, 2 big gray screws, 6 C gray screws and 6 green screws. Thank you very much for watching this video guys, I hope you learned something new and enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this one, and feel free to comment me below if you struggle at any time of this video.